and welcome to this first Witcher tutorial, which will focus on setting up an enemy in a room which you can fight and will attack back. So at the start menu that you get before you start Witcher, you get this screen. Press Launch Adventure Editor. So for this we're gonna have to make a new adventure. An adventure is kinda like this one that's being displayed here. They are custom made by players and such. So but first take a look at this. These tabs we have here will be necessary for this tutorial. So under view you will find them, so activate them so we have them ready. So your window or Djinn, as it's called, looks a bit like mine. That's the other corner there. So now we're gonna have to make a new module. We do this here, new module. We get these, and here it's pretty obviously we're gonna have to need a new room to even place an enemy. So here, click new area, and we get this screen. And what we'll do is find a mesh that will be our room. And I looked around here and see here. This one is pretty good, so press that. And you see, you can rename it, but it won't be really necessary. So get this, you get this, so expand it fully. You can press this, so we have the area properties displayed here. We're gonna have to edit them later. Back to the room. Press here, edit area, and this screen comes up. You mostly wanna press this button. So you get this, and this is well, doors that connect areas or meshes to each other. Just press that. So here is the room. It's, you may recognize this from the upper place at Kaer Morhen. So the first thing we can do is place a player start. So we press this, place it there, and we may want to rotate that because as you can see, it's Geralt is gonna face this way when we start, so we're gonna rotate that to about there. So then we change to this move tool instead, so we don't have that. And you get around in the game world by using the arrow keys and the mouse to kind of fly around. It's very useful. Not WASD. You don't get the same result. So now we can begin building for an enemy, and there's three things we're gonna need for this, and this is a script, a character, or rather a creature template, and a spawn set and a spawn point. So the reason why we need a script is because it got to have a reason to spawn, and we will enable this when the module starts, so we don't have to have any quest chain to this. So we go up here to file again, press new. We're gonna need this kind of script, a Neverwinter script, and you get this void main. So input this, enable spawn face. Oops, sorry. Just type in enemy spawn for now. It's the spawn that we are going to call at the start of our module, which by it gonna spawn our enemy. It's kinda hard to describe, but you will see what it does, and I will talk about it some more as we go. So hit Control S, save it in the module. You can save it as a start script. Simple. Press OK, and now back to this area properties that we got in our area properties tabs on this side. If we scroll down, we gonna oops, this is the wrong one. No, wait a minute. Here we have it. You gotta press module properties. You go down here on client enter, as when the player enters the world, this, which is a script, will be loaded. So we're gonna write start script. We can if we want to check if it exists, we can press here, and we can see it's our script that we wrote just now. So now that's done, we can close .script down by the X, and it's also kind of good to save the module, which saves everything. So here you can write whatever you want, maybe my adventure